It is the 1982 Honda Civic SB1 Team Yamamoto from Hasegawa Hobby Kits. And it is today's What's in the Box look. And we're going to take a look at what is in the box next. So this is what we're going to call, what we call a modified reissue, meaning it's some new tool parts for the kit. The base kit is essentially the same. So I'm not going to cover everything or the entire kit. If you want to see the entire kit, I will put a link in, but I will put a link up, if I remember, to the full what's in the box look for the Honda Civic SB1 that I did some time ago. Today we're just going to focus on the race parts for this kit. Now this kit is also going to be kind of a two-in-one, if you will. You have two choices on the decal sheet for, and actually what year you want to build. You can build the 1982 that you see on the box, or you can build the 1983 version, which is basically which will switch from the car number 1 to car number 7. So with that out of the way, let's get to it and see what's in the box. And you can see the body. It's basically the same body as the first issue. Nothing has really changed. Now we're going to take a look at the new parts tree for this kit that contains all the race bits. And we'll start with the wheels. So you have 2 sets of wheels. The top set is going to be used if you build the 1983 version. The bottom set will be if you build the 1982 version. So those are your choices of wheels. There are the over fenders and the rest of the parts tree. And there you see the race tires. Nothing special about them. They're going to need a little bit of cleanup to make them look halfway decent. Definitely going to need to take to the sander. Some mold lines and then seam lines definitely need to be sanded out. There are the, and last but not least, to wrap this up, the decal sheet. As you can see, you just got to take care of the white. The decals will take care of the blue for you. Very nice, colorful decal sheet, a full decal sheet as well. A lot of decals on there. So there you can see the two different the decal placement guides for either number 1 or the number 7. So there you have it. That is the Honda Civic SB1 for Team Yamamoto for the 1982 or 83 race year, depending on which one you want to build. So with that, thank you so much for watching. We'll see you next time.